Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I always figured to have amazing, truly customized blinds for my home that I would have to hire someone to come in and do all the measurements and order them for me. But you don't have to do that. In fact, I was able to get perfect customized blinds from AIVDIG. Not only that, but these are motorized, they come with a remote, and they're smart, which means that I was able to use a smart hub that you can order and attach that directly to my dot. Check it out when I use the voice command. Open Gina Shade.
Okay.
I got the Blackout linen beige fabric. I absolutely love this because it's a nice neutral color that fits the aesthetic of my home, but it has a really beautiful looking texture to it. I also like that using the app or the remote, I can set an upper or a lower limit, and then if I want to open or shut the shades, it will stop exactly where I told it to. These shades are rechargeable, and literally the battery can last for months before you have to recharge them. You cannot go wrong with these shades. I think that they're amazing, they're easy to use, and you can get exactly what you want. And that's my point of view.